The table shows some information about times in seconds for 60 people to complete a task. So the data has been grouped, so we've lost some of the original meaning. So to understand this, those between 10 and 15 will be 6. If there was someone who had a 15, it would go in this category, not that category. So it says work out an estimate for the mean time to complete the task. It's an estimate because the data, some of the meaning of the data has been lost. So in order to do this, it's best to make a bigger table, add 2 more columns. So we need the midpoint, because which value do we actually take here? So we normally take the midpoint. So that will be 12.5, 17.5, 22.5, 27.5, and 32.5. And then we got time times the frequency. So we'll take this as our value of t, and this is our frequency. So we need to do 12.5 times 6, which is 75. 17.5 times 12, which is 210. 22.5 times 24, which is 540. 27.5 times 13, which is 357.5. And then 32.5 times 5, which is 162.5. Now the mean is going to be the sum of t times f, the sum of this, divided by the sum of f. We know if we add these up, the total is 1,345, so it's going to be 1,345, and the total here should be 60, because there were 60 people given in the question. Then if we do the division, we get 22.416. Now, is that a sensible answer? Well, yeah, it's halfway through this set of data. It's halfway between 10 and 35, roughly. Because remember, the mean is a measurement of central tendency. But if you get a number outside of 10 and 35, you've gone wrong somewhere. And therefore, we round that off to 3 significant figures, which is going to be 22.4 seconds to 3 significant figures. This has been a video to show you how to find the mean from a grouped continuous data set. I hope you understood, and I thank you very much for watching.